How to change Discord background with Better Discord. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can change your Discord background with Better Discord. So firstly you guys have to come on to betterdiscord.app, and then after that simply click on download for the latest version. Once you guys click on download for the latest version, after that it's gonna start downloading, and then once it has downloaded we're gonna proceed with the rest of the steps. Once we have downloaded Better Discord, after that you guys just have to open up Better Discord, and it's gonna take you over here. Simply accept the terms and then click on next, and then after that click on next once again, and then simply install it to your Discord application. Now once this has been installed, it's gonna take just a few seconds, and then after that just simply reopen Discord, and then once you guys have reopened the Discord, it's gonna take just a few seconds to load up. But once this has loaded up, you guys are gonna see this particular page in front of you. Now go into the settings, and then after that at the bottom you guys are gonna see the option for Better Discord over here. Now come back to their website, click on themes, and then after that you guys are going to be able to see all the different themes that you guys can install on Discord. So for example, you guys have the option for Discord Plus, Clear Vision. You guys have so many options over here that you guys can pick and choose from. So for example, I'm gonna go with probably this one maybe, or perhaps this one. I'm not exactly sure, but take your time to find the perfect option, and then after that just simply pick that particular theme. So for example, let's say I want to go with this theme, or maybe just this one, Discord Plus. I will click on download, and then after that once this theme has downloaded, I will come back over here. I will click on themes, I will click on open theme folder, and then after that just simply drag and drop the theme that you just downloaded, and then after that your theme is gonna be added, and you guys are gonna be able to of course just get started with your theme. So guys, that is how you guys can add in themes on Discord by using Better Discord. Now if for some reason you are unable to drag and drop them over here, just simply click on open theme folder, and then after that this folder is going to be opened. Simply drag and drop your theme over here, and then after that you should be able to see it over here. Just simply click on this button and your theme is going to be enabled. And now as you guys can see that I now have Discord in a different format, and now it looks pretty different. So guys, that is how you guys can add in themes on Discord. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.